I've decided I'm going to take some video of the dogs, but they probably won't cooperate at all. There's the Cody. There's the 17-year-old right there. He's the guy that I thought I was going to lose the other day. Hey, buddy. I adore these two dogs. They cannot understand what I'm doing. You don't know. He doesn't have so much humor anymore. He's like me. We're grumpy old bastards now. Hey, Cody. He says, if you do that, I'll bite you. Yeah, I'll bite you. Yeah, I'll bite you. Oh, jeez. She just wants to play now. She thinks the whole world is Lola's. She says, never mind him. He's an old prick. Don't bother with him. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Chihuahuas lose teeth. So she's lost a canine and she's got a kind of a crooked looking mouth. Don't you? You do. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. You can't look away. This thing will follow you. You too. See? See? There. So for anybody who wonders what people do with their animals, I don't know how many of them do what we do with ours. But this is one of the things I like to do. Well, that'll be the end of the video.